Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve a question related to permutation. This type of questions are generally asked in Bank P.O, S.S.C and other different types of competitive exams. So let's start. In how many different ways can a letters of the word design be arranged so that the vowels are at two ends? Now, the the given word design design contains four consonants and four vowels. Four vowels. And at the end, at the two ends, the two vowel, the two vowels can be arranged in two ways. Now, remaining four letters, vowels are E and I. Vowels E and I. And consonants D, S, G, N. So, remaining four letters can be arranged in factorial four ways. So, factorial 4 equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equal to 24 ways. Now, total number of ways. Total number of ways. This is equal to 24 into 2. This is equal to 48. Therefore, required number of ways equal to 48, and this is our answer. I hope you enjoyed my video. Feel free to suggest any topic that you want me to discuss. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel right now. Thank you for your support. See you next time.